Elledani here, and today I want to talk about one of my favorite hair products. You know I love Not Your Mother's. This is passion fruit kombucha and Awapuhi ginger. It's a leave-in tonic. It's basically like a leave-in conditioner. It makes my hair super healthy. It doesn't weigh it down at all. This stuff gives my hair shine and body and makes it just look really nice without me having to do anything to it. I shower, I brush it through damp hair, and then I let it dry. Just a little bit more. It's really mild, but it smells really nice and just mildly sweet. An exhilarating blend of passion fruit kombucha and Awapuhi ginger reawakens natural hair vitality. This 3-in-1 leave-in tonic detangles, enhances shine, and provides heat protection up to 450 degrees to restore youthful and lively hair glow. Just spray it onto damp, towel-dried hair. My hair wasn't actually towel-dried. It was still kind of damp. I didn't brush it the minute I got out of the shower. I waited a few minutes, and we're going to see how it dries up. Also, it is no sulfites, no silicones, parabens, dyes, gluten, or phthalates. Pretty natural, very gentle, cruelty-free. They're also a very eco-conscious company. All of these things are why I like them so much, and they're actually really inexpensive. And on top of that, Ulta runs sales on them constantly. Kind of interested to see what it does with this haircut, so I am gonna leave it for a few minutes. I'm gonna go get ready for a video we are filming a little bit later tonight, and then I'll be back in a few minutes just to see how this works. I gave it about 15 minutes to dry. It is still just slightly damp, but you get the gist of it. When it was about halfway dry, I did add just a little bit more of that tonic and tousle it through my roots a little bit. I'm really big on, especially with fine hair, we're really big on kind of tousling those roots to give the hair a little bit more body overall. You can see the tonic creates really nice natural body. It just gives like a nice little extra oomph to natural air-dried hair. It is also a really great heat protectant, which I will show that in a video in the future. Please let me know if you've tried it. If there is a similar cruelty-free hair tonic that you like yourself, I would love to know what that is. Please comment below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell to make sure you don't miss a thing, and I will see you next time.